Hello dear colleagues, my name is Ramón Gómez Meda, and I want to tell you that on June 18th I will be lecturing about the implant dentistry at the new implant design, new matrix implant. Is a clever connection and how this connection speeds up even more than before the digital workflow in implant dentistry. I think it's a nice innovation. If you are interested in this new design and how it works and how to speed up your digital workflows, this is a nice meeting. It's gonna be held in Zurich on that date, June 18th. Bye-bye. See you there if you want.